How to make a CNFT.io account to buy and sell Cardano NFTs. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create your CNFT account and how you can go on ahead and buy and sell Cardano NFTs. Now, you might be wondering, can't I do this on OpenSea? What is the purpose of creating a Cardano NFT and why is it so different? Well, one of the major reasons why you need to create a CNFT account is because the Ethereum market, a lot of the NFTs, NFT marketplaces like the popular ones like OpenSea, mostly function on Ethereum. And the Ethereum marketplace is super saturated. There are so many people already creating Ethereum NFTs that are super popular. There are so many collections on the Ethereum mainnet that people are not interested in really taking a look at smaller creators or taking a look at the new and up and coming because Ethereum is so saturated. That is why it is so essential for you to go onto the CNFT platform. CNFT is a platform specifically for Cardano NFTs, and you need to create a Cardano wallet before you get started. And although OpenSea does have Solana, so if you take a look at the marketplaces or the blockchains that they have Ethereum marketplace, they have Clayton, they have Polygon, and they have Solana. So you do have the option to convert to Solana on the OpenSea platform, but Cardano is a super popular network that is not supported by a lot of the main marketplaces. So CNFT is probably the best marketplace that you can find for Cardano NFTs if you want to buy them or sell them or anything of that sort. But before you get started, you need to have a Cardano wallet. So if you don't have a Cardano wallet, you might be wondering, hey, I already have MetaMask. Why do I need another wallet? Well, MetaMask does not support the Cardano blockchain. So you can see I have multiple networks added, but you need to bridge the network to Cardano, and you can't really do that directly on the MetaMask blockchain, or you can't even blockchain or split to Solana marketplace. So you can see I already have Phantom and MetaMask, but these two wallets are not supporting Cardano currently. So we're going to go on to NamiWallet.io. So NamiWallet.io is a Cardano wallet, and you can just click on Chrome over here. And then you're just going to click on add to Chrome. This is just going to open up the Chrome web store. And from here, you're just going to add this to your Chrome. It's going to download over here. Once it has been downloaded, the new extension will be added, and I will just pin this on, and I will unpin all of the other extensions. Now you can see you have your Nami wallet extension. So you're going to click on import or new. If you don't already have a crypto wallet on Nami, you're going to click on new wallet. You're going to accept the terms of use. And once you do that, you have to actually store this seed phrase. So it's very essential that you store this seed phrase in a secure fashion. Take a picture, write it down, whatever you find to be comfortable. Just make sure that you remember all of these phrases and the order that they are in, because this is going to be the login that you're going to have to input if you ever want to use your wallet on a different device, on a different PC, laptop, or any other device. So we're going to click on next, and then you're just going to skip this. You can skip the verification, but I would recommend that you make sure to write down that phrase, or write it down, or take a picture or something along those lines. Once you have done that, you're going to create your account. So you're going to enter your name, and then you're going to enter a suitable password for your account. We're going to click on create over here. And just like that, our Nami wallet has been created. So once your wallet has been created, we can move back to our CNFT platform, which is the platform that we are looking to create our account on. And once you go on ahead and you have your Nami wallet, so you can see I have my Nami wallet now. Now, all I have to do is go on to CNFT.io, and you can begin exploring different items. But if you want to log in first, then you're just going to click on link wallet over here. And then you can see the different wallet options. You have Nami, Eternal, Flint wallet, Gera wallet, Typhoon wallet. We have created our wallet using Nami, so we're just going to click on Nami over here. You can just refresh your page if it's showing you that the wallet is unavailable. And now you can see once you have clicked on wallet and you clicked on Nami, they're going to show you this access form. You're going to click on access over here, and then you're going to click on sign. You're going to enter your password. And once you have entered your password, now you can see the ADA that you have, which is the native currency of Cardano. And then you also have the NFTs that you have in your wallet over here. So now you can begin buying and selling NFTs on the CNFT platform with Cardano. Now, if we go on ahead and go into the explore section, we can go and browse different NFTs. You can filter them by specific items as well. So you can choose a specific price range that you want to buy in. You can only choose NFTs that are currently on the buy now list, so the ones that are available for sale presently. And all you have to do to purchase an NFT is to click on the NFT. So let's say I want to buy a maximum of $80 worth of ADA. or 8088 worth of NFTs. And what you're going to do is once you input the price that you want, you're going to select the NFT that you want to purchase, and then you have the price. It is 30 They do not have a native converter for the price in USD, so you can just copy and paste this on Google, and you can copy and paste it on Google, Binance, CoinMarketCap, any of the other crypto marketplaces and crypto exchanges, and look at the current exchange rate for the item just to get a better estimate in dollars. Or you can open up your Nami wallet and they will also show you the USD amount that you have, and that will give you a better idea of the current conversion rate. You're going to click on buy now to purchase the item. And once you do that, you can just purchase the item. Currently, I don't have any money in my crypto wallet, so I can't actually, go on ahead and purchase the NFT. But to buy and send, it's very simple. You just click on buy and then you verify with the verification on your wallet, and that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to sign up on the cnft.io platform. Now, the identity that you have on your cnft.io platform is linked directly to your wallet. So if you want to upload whatever your profile is, so you can see this is the current profile that I have, you can click on settings. You can customize your profile. You can enter an image, profile name. You can add specific items. You can hide certain items from your CNFT profile as well. And if you're looking to create your own collection on the CNFTIO platform, then I would recommend that you build your profile before that, and then you can go into your My Project section and click on Create Projects to begin your NFT collections, to begin uploading your NFT collections on the Cardano blockchain and get a wider audience for your NFTs instead of going on and, keeping on uploading on the Ethereum mainnet, which is already super saturated. You can catch the eyes of investors, you can catch the eyes of more people on the Cardano blockchain, because there are very few people, like there's not that much saturation. Obviously there are still a lot of people on the Cardano network, and you will be able to get more customers and more people interested in your work while using a platform like this. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.